Was kommt der? Slava Makedonia! Sakam Sita! Okay, now English. Sorry. I'm so proud of you. Thank you very much for the support last days. Unbelievable what you did the last days. Yeah, I don't have any words for you because it's unbelievable to be a part of you. So, thank you very much. Celebrate this fucking night and we have Champions League winners!